In this video, you're going to learn how to connect cPanel to FTP using Filezilla. Those of you who don't know what FTP is, it stands for File Transfer Protocol. Anytime you build your website on your local PC, you want to upload it to your cPanel. And how do you do that? You use a software called Filezilla. There are lots of file transfer protocol software out there, but the one I prefer is Filezilla because of its flexibility. Okay, so let's first of all connect our cPanel to this software. How do we do that? We will need these 4 details. The first thing we need is our host, which is also the same as our IP address, your cPanel username, and your cPanel password. Where do we get these credentials or details? Go to your hosting accounts. To your right, you have username. That's your username of your cPanel. You copy that, come to Filezilla, paste that here. The host name is your shared IP address. Copy that, paste it here. The last thing left is our password, but for the port, forget about that. So with the password, anytime you sign up hosting accounts, these details are sent to you as a welcome email. So refer back to that email and pick your cPanel password. In my case, I have it stored on my notepad. I have copied that already, so paste it here. And as I said, with the port, just leave it as it is and then click on connect. Wait for it, and successful. As you can see, all the files inside of cPanel are listed here, and then you can upload your website files onto the directory you want. I did a video showing you how you create a subdomain, and that is it. It's here, so you can upload your files into this subdomain, and then when you type this subdomain in your web browser, your website will come live. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. My name is Solomon. As always, if you want web hosting at affordable price, I am a big fan of MakihoHost.com. My affiliate link is in the description. I will see you in the next one.